How to fix Steam not opening. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So if your Steam is not opening or launching, you need to first go ahead and open the Task Manager by searching for it, or you can just simply right click on this Windows icon and then select Task Manager. Once it is opened, find any processes related to Steam and right click on it and then tap on End Task. Next, open the Run dialog box or simply search for Run. Type in %local app data % and hit enter. From the page that appears, you need to go ahead and search for Steam file. Right click on it and select delete. After deleting this folder, try running Steam again. If the problem persists, you need to open the Task Manager again and close Steam completely. Right click on the Steam and then tap on End Task option. Then open the File Explorer on your computer. Go to this PC option. Select your local disk. Go to Program Files x86. From this page, you need to go ahead and select the Steam file. Open the Steam file and delete everything except the Steam apps folder and steam.exe. To select multiple files, you can click on the first file, hold down the Shift key, and click on the last file you want to select. And now try running the Steam again and it will re-download the necessary files. Wait for the download to finish and hopefully this will definitely help you solve the problem. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.